Okay, this is a demonstration how to put right side motor mount. I can't show you the whole video. I was busy and I'm pissed because this thing is made in China and it took me a lot to put it on. It's different design. Okay, I couldn't take it off easily, so I removed the shocks. Won't work. I removed the brake lines, then finally I removed the one side camber caster adjustment bolt. Make sure, if you remove, make sure put a mark. Then I have to remove it from this side. This I put an engine stand, so I lift it all the way. I get pissed. I hate this car. It's a Hammer H3 military looking car. It's 4x4 5-cylinder. So I look, I beat the heat shield. So I have to remove the ABS and everything. It's pain in the ass, so hard. So finally I take off the old one, put the new one. So I have to put the new one from the top. Somebody with a ladder help me, unless there is no way. Can't put this way I try. So I use the top or drop it from top to bottom, so there's like up and down marks, so it's gonna be easy to install. Yeah, but the problem was to take off. It was so hard. Yeah, the left side was easy, just all you gotta do, remove the steering intermediate shaft and slide left side. But this is the right side. Even if I'm in a sharp stand, hard. So let me know if you have any question.